Okay, so far, I've got a few people handed stuff in, and the work is not bad for those people that have made the effort. But what I want to do now is I'm downloading. As you can see, I'm just going to open in a new window, and I want to download the PY file. Hoping it's not going to take too long. I'm going to just reduce the screen size so you can see what I'm doing. So to open in a new window, so I just download it there. And at this point, I'm just putting it all on my desktop because I want to quickly show you what it is I'm actually doing. So just save to your folder. I would, if I were you, save it to a folder.
Like asking questions that I probably will be able to
here
answer
it
in
is.
regards to how the kinds of schools and how things are going to
login PY, main PY, open a new window. Just download all the PY files, okay? I wish I'd have downloaded them now before doing the video. So I'm just going to pause the video and download everything. Okay, so I downloaded all the Python files into one folder. I did put it in my desktop just to make it easier. So I'm just going to open main game PY. You can go edit with idle, or you can open with, I would open that one, which is idle. The other one is like a DOS interface. Where is it? Should be here in a minute. Totally typical. Bizarre. There you go. So there's the file. So what I want to do is just I want to run. Hopefully it will run. So what's going on? It's supposed to ask me something. Why didn't it run? Main game. Alright, so let me try this one. I thought I did it in main. Is it running or not? Ah, there you go. So sorry, open dice game. I must have renamed it. Hello and welcome. What is player one's name? So put your name in. It's check in. You've been authorized. Player two name. Now all of this is nonsense because I didn't really do any kind of security with that. Simple as possible. So enter when you're ready to play. Press the enter key, and then you can start the game. All right. So you've got a fully working game here, but it can be improved if you want to. Okay, and then if you just keep on playing, eventually it will come to the end and say who's won. Okay, so there you go. It's got your scoreboard. It's got the names of the people that are currently in the text file, and it should have made a new text file. There you go, which tells who the winners are. All right. So this is the game, and looking at the exam board spec, which is one of the first documents you got, it should be in the lesson 1 NEA. You will see how the game is supposed to work. I'm not going to go into all of that now because it's there. I know 100% it's there. And I've already done a video on it anyway. Okay, so that is what you're supposed to be doing. And I hope that these 2 videos have